Hey guys, what's up? Today we're doing a second episode of Stormworks, and today I'm gonna go into one of my worlds. Let's see. My gaming world. That's right here. I'm not sure where I left off. This is one of the worlds I haven't gone in a while, so let's see. Okay, so now we're in here. I told you guys, look, I remember. I knew it. This is the world. You don't know how long it took. Hello? Uh, oh my gosh, I'm not alone here. Well, hello there. Hello. So wait, I'm allowed to, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, I can hold you. I don't think I'm holding you. You look like you're, oh, there we go. Oh man. Okay, let's carry you outside then. In that case, that's pretty cool. I wonder what I did. I don't know I did that. Okay. Guess there's a person with me. Well, you know what? That gives me a great idea for the video now. Okay. You, sir, are going onto my airplane. Yes, you should probably be scared. I'm gonna get a good airplane though. Let's see. Honestly, what's a good one? You know what? I like this golden striped one. That one looks pretty nice. Oh my gosh. Well, that's a lot of errors. I hope this airplane actually works. Might have to try another one. Let's see. Spawn that in. Okay, you come over here. There we go. Oh man, that's a lot of lag. Whoop. That's a lot of lag. Okay. Oh, you know what? I can't go on here. I got on. Okay. All right, guys, I got on. That actually took a while. Turn on the door. Overhead cabin lights. Open cockpit door. I'm gonna put you in. There we go. Okay. Oh no, this plane is turning. Okay, main throttle. Enable generators. I don't know how to do this actually. So I think that's this. Oh, let's not open up that. Okay. Release all crates, and then. Oh, am I getting it? I think I got it. Is it going? Hope it's going. Oh, here we go. Oh, why are you turning? Uh-oh. This is bad. Why are we still turning? Alright guys, I think I finally did it. It took me 4 times before I could learn. Alright guys, this is my 5th attempt. I'm really hoping that this has worked. Wish me luck. I hope it runs. I don't know why this thing's so hard to use. It's so hard. Alright, so I don't know what I did, but it might work. So, Oh, finally. Guys, we have lifted off. Quick notification. We lost our man in an incident. not the best thing, but okay. This is so hard to maneuver. There's like a 2-second delay. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? The heading. You know what? What's the heading? Sure, whatever that means. Heading. Altitude. Oh, altitude hold. Let's put that at like 200, which is pretty low. You're about to see why. Alright, guys. So we are not in just any plane. Hold on. Okay. That's pretty good. Alright, we're not just in any plane. We're in a cargo plane, okay? A nice cargo plane. Oh, wow, we're pretty high up. Oh, man. Okay. Oh. Feels like I'm in space right now. No gravity. I'm not sure what's happening right now. Okay. Oh, no. Up and down. Up and down. Alright, now it's time to go down. This thing cannot. Okay, what's our altitude at? What is our altitude? We're at like 200. Okay. Alright, there we go. I think now it's a little steadier. Okay. So, this thing is a cargo plane. I'm about to show you right now. So, nice door right there. We've got a bunch of seats. Not sure why there are so many seats, actually. Oh man, this AI cannot. Okay. We also have some nice beds. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some parachutes. Probably gonna need those. Good night. Aw, I like that. That's very nice. That's very, very nice. Okay. And then we have these emergency doors. Alright, alright. That sounds cool. Red lights. Overhead lights. Here we go. Here are the nice passenger seats and parachutes. Parachutes. Alright. And out here is the cargo. Now, we have some cargo in here right now for us. This is a generic crate. Alright. I'm not sure what that means, but it's a crate. Then we have a heavy generator. I'm not sure. It's extra power. I guess we don't need it. Turn on throttle. And it works. It's using up fuel right now. That works. It's very quiet though. Super quiet actually. Okay. So that's off. And you got parachutes here for just in case you want to jump off the plane. That'll be nice. Skydiving. Yes. Okay. So let's see. I think this time I'm gonna go to bed, and I remember last time. Oh man. I'll sleepy boy seat in bed. Okay. Oh man, I'm a sleepy boy. Alright. I'm gonna go to sleep now, and hopefully I don't die again, because I have bad luck. Okay. There we go, just gotta go to sleep. Oh, okay. Whew. You know, I slept really well. I slept very well. It's daytime now, again. Okay, I slept all day. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's windy and rainy right now because, well, he was sleeping. Alright, it's a little foggy too. That's not good. We're gonna have a little bit of turbulence. Alright. Let me see. What are we going to do? Let's see. We have the emergency doors. Maybe we'll try the skydiving area right here. This looks pretty fun. Or I have a better idea. Yes, I do. Better idea. Okay. As you can see, open cargo door. cargo door is open. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay. Now, we can release the crates. Actually, I don't think we need these crates. It's a little too heavy. Yeah, they're a little too heavy right now. Alright, we released them. It's time to go. These crates. Okay, the crates release. I'm gonna have to see what happened. I'm gonna have to go check up on them. Oh, whoops. I unsteadied it. Now it, oh gosh, it's gonna have trouble. Oh, we're going straight down. We're going straight down. Don't crash into the water. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I think that's a little too much. Oh. Going a little too far. I'm gonna have to help it. There we go. I'm helping it a little bit. I need to help it a little bit because otherwise it's going straight down, man. Okay. There we go. Oh, I steadied it. I steadied it perfectly. Alright. Now that it's steady, actually, I think you can turn on the throttle a little bit. There you go, half throttle. Half of max. Alright. Well, let's see what it's doing. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. And it's got a parachute. Alright. I think the ocean needs a little bit of energy, so maybe this will help. There you go, energy. Give some energy. Oh, you started up, see? There you go. There you go, now you're using all the energy. Alright. Ocean, take the energy. Energy. Alright. I think that's that. Take a little bit of a, I'm gonna take a parachute, just, yeah. Got my parachute right here. Okay. I think it's time to close the door. Let's close the door. Where are you? There you go. Okay. Alright, so now that we've dropped that, we've got less weight. Let's go check up on Tay. Cockpit. Alright, here we go. We're flying smoothly. Alright, I think it's time to fly a little higher. Alright. Alright, altitude like that, and alright. Okay. Slow down. Alright, we're still going up. Man, this thing likes to, this thing can spin in circles if I don't help it. Alright. There we go. Okay, we're good now. We're careful. Alright, let's no more of this stuff. There we go. I'm in performance mode. We're just regular. Yeah, I need 0.25. Oh, there we go, 0.25. That's nice. Alright. Okay, good. Alright, everybody's. I'm pretty lonely. I think I'm just gonna go to bed. Alright guys, I just heard the engines go off right now. Oh gosh. Oh, that's water. That's water. Oh no. It's water. Oh man. It's filling up really quick. Alright, it's filling up really quick. I gotta get out. I need to get out right now. Alright, that's a back cargo door. Oh my gosh. I can't die. Mid-air. Mid-air right now. Oh no. Oh, I got a little bit of air. Oh no. I've got no air right now. Oh man. Oh, I've got some air. Oh, okay. Air. Okay. Got a little bit of air. I think I'm gonna need to find a different exit right now, because this is not good. I think it's time to use the emergency exit. This is not good. This is not good. This is really bad. Emergency exit. Oh no, the buttons aren't working. Cockpit must be broken too. How's cockpit? Oh, cockpit! Cockpit's got all kinds of air. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, we've got air in the cockpit. Alright. This is bad. Really bad. I think we'll have to just try and make it out. Okay. Alright. I made it out. I made it out. That was very hard. That was risky. I'm gonna have to ask for another airplane again. Yeah, let's just... Yeah, I think we're gonna have to get a new airplane by the next episode. Oh gosh. That was really bad.